Okay, Joe, hold on. Ready? Come over here. Come over here. Put one out. Put two out. Okay, now spread them out. There you go. What's wrong with your hands? Are they just not usable? Or is it easier just to gobble them up? Go ahead. Oh, well, now you're cheating? Oh, are they too... Here. There you go. Oh, that one, I guess, didn't meet the... There you go. Well, normally, sitting on such table... He can't bend.
It's too chunky.
Dude's bent at the waist and he's still not right. Here, right there. Get that one.
Okay, chipmunk cheeks. You actually have to eat them. You're silly. They just all fall back out of his mouth.
Whoops. No. So I guess we're going to have to put a bowl on next to Nikita's. This is just too much. Yeah. I hope you're chewing. Go check those cheeks later.
More, he says more. More.
Yeah, I'm going to have to turn it to another compartment. Yeah.
I got Cheerios sticking to the butt.
That's the best place for him. Say goodbye, kiddo. Oh, I guess not. You know, I fed you, and you're still hungry.
What, did you give me Cheerios, Daddy?
No. Well, yes, I gave him Cheerios. I gave him peas. He had no interest in grilled cheese. But he ate all the peas. Although if I had laid them out like this, it would have been a little easier.
You say Cheerios? You say more? More?
Yeah, that's more. That's his answer to more. Give it to Mom and make her do it.
you.
No, that was for you to open it.
But there's plenty right here. You've got plenty.
He's like, what are you doing? Why are you messing with my food?
It's hard work to be this big.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah.